But I also do, a combination of this. Khechari Mudra, Kandasana, Shambhavi, Ujjayi, Kumbhaka. Then after that, to break the cycle, I do Viparita Karani. This one. And I will hold this for, a minute? And then in Viparita Karani, you can also apply actually those techniques, Khechari Mudra, or the Nava Mudra, Ujjayi Pranayama, and the Shambhavi Mudra. And then after that, I'll do the Asana, because I find this quite, I say decompressing, and I play around with this technique so I can loosen the hips, because the Kandasana is a deep binding of the lower extremity. So this one decompresses after the Kandasana. Then I'll roll down to the floor. Good. And then I'll flow a vinyasa. Let me show you the full one. So you can press through. And then from there, wiggle a bit. You can do a gentle extension. And then the downward dog. And then the leg raises up and down. Okay. And after this, cross through and sit. And repeat. Okay. Khechari Mudra. Kandasana, Ujjayi Pranayama, settle. And you combine them all. And then before I release the Kumbhaka, I do just another half Ujjayi. To keep the lightness inside and release the technique out.